Did you know that pre-COVID, the bus speeds in Manhattan were less than 5 miles per hour, right? This was from a visit to Manhattan in 2020 where we saw bus lanes being blocked by parked cars, and you can see all the way down that frame, there are cars blocking, drivers getting aggravated, bus drivers getting aggravated, and people who are using these buses getting penalized needlessly. And the question we asked is, can we make this better? Can we improve this situation, right? What if we could clear those bus lanes of any parked cars? What would happen then? And today I'm proud to announce, after installing hundreds of devices in New York now says their bus speeds have increased by 24%. Their collision rate for some of their buses on certain routes has decreased by 42%, right? Buses are running faster, ridership's going up, and we have an environmental impact as well, where we are polluting the environment less.